My name is Eliza Bitter. I'm from Orem, Utah, so I was born and raised here. My father actually teaches here on campus, and so I kind of grew up on BYU a little bit. And then I have just been doing my master's for the last couple of years, and I've been working in the microbiology department. So for the last couple of years, as I've been doing research as part of my master's program, I've been doing basic research related to cancer. So cancer usually will form because there's a mutation in really important proteins that are involved in cellular proliferation, DNA damage, or other cellular processes. And when these mutations occur, they can be passed down if they're not caught. And I, as a researcher, am looking at proliferation markers. So I've been looking at thymidine kinase 1 for the last 2 years. It is a DNA salvage pathway enzyme, so it's responsible for recycling thymidine during DNA synthesis. And it's been shown to be upregulated across multiple cancer types. So breast, colon, lung, and prostate are just a couple of them. And when that happens, we're not really sure why TK1 is upregulated. I've been looking to understand if TK1 has an advantage in cancer cells and aids in their progression for developing and overcoming some of the obstacles that cancer faces in order to survive. It's so important to understand how cancer progresses because it helps us to provide better treatments to patients as well as to help improve their mortality. So the quicker that we can identify cancer in a patient and how far along it is in its progression, we can help that patient survive a little bit longer. And so that's why I've been so intrigued with what I've been doing, and that's why it means so much to me. So my plans now that I'm graduated are that I am working for a biotech company, and we're working with immune cells to develop an immunotherapy. And so right now, the postdoc has been doing a lot of my studies, and it's been really exciting stuff. And so I've jumped on board, and I'm working with her to continue to do the background research and hopefully move into clinical trials at the end of this year. If I could give any advice to the MMBio students in the department, it would be to get involved early. And research, those skills that you learn in class, they're so fascinating in the classroom, but they become even more intriguing and exciting when we apply them in the research lab. I think it's so important to do that. Gives you a huge leg up for graduate school as well as for other opportunities that will come your way. Graduate school is not easy. It's a lot of work, and I've been so grateful for our professors. They're so involved. They want you to succeed. I have so many good memories of being with the students as well as the professors. It's pretty cool what the department puts on. So each year we have Turkey Fest around Thanksgiving. We've got a Halloween party going on. It also surprised me, being here at BYU, it is a little bit of a smaller research facility, but I've had so many opportunities to go to research conferences and to have opportunities to publish research. And so I think that for a lot of students, if you're wanting to stay here, the opportunities are available if you look for them and if you work for them.